Kangaroos, one of Australia's most iconic animals, are famous for their powerful hind legs, long tails, and unique hopping ability. But there's so much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. In this video, we're going to dive deep into amazing facts about kangaroos, exploring their behavior, adaptations, and the incredible ways they thrive in the wild. From their social structures to their ability to survive in the harsh Australian outback, kangaroos are truly one of nature's wonders. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or simply curious about these iconic animals, you'll love learning more about the kangaroo's incredible world. So, hop right in and let's discover everything you need to know about kangaroos. A newborn kangaroo, Joey, is roughly the size of a jelly bean at birth. Joeys are born extremely underdeveloped and must crawl unassisted through their mother's fur into her pouch. Female kangaroos can freeze the development of an embryo, embryonic diapause, until conditions are favorable. A kangaroo's reproductive system is highly unusual. It has 2 uteri and 3 vaginas. Kangaroos are the only large mammals that use hopping as their primary means of locomotion. Their hopping is powered by elastic tendons that store energy, making it one of nature's most efficient methods of travel. Despite their size, kangaroos cannot move backward, a fact that even influenced their appearance on Australia's coat of arms. Their muscular tail isn't just for balance. It can act as a 5th limb when moving slowly. Kangaroos communicate with a range of sounds, from soft clicks and clucks to thumps made by pounding the ground. In some groups, or mobs, individuals engage in boxing matches that appear almost ritualistic in nature. Mysteriously, studies have found that many kangaroos show a strong preference for using their left forelimb during grooming and feeding. Their unique method of locomotion helps them conserve energy over long distances in harsh, arid environments. Unlike cattle, kangaroos emit very little methane. Researchers are studying their gut bacteria for clues to reducing livestock emissions. Some kangaroo species display different milk compositions simultaneously, nourishing a pouch joey and an older one outside the pouch at the same time. Their eyes are specially adapted for low-light conditions, making them excellent at foraging during twilight hours. Fossilized kangaroo tracks sometimes appear in mysterious patterns, hinting at ancient coordinated movements. Aboriginal legends often portray kangaroos as spiritual messengers or guardians of the land. There are documented phantom kangaroo sightings outside Australia, sometimes attributed to escaped pets or collective misidentification. In some remote regions, unusual booms and busts in kangaroo populations remain unexplained by current ecological models. Researchers still debate the evolutionary origins of the kangaroo's unique reproductive traits. Some kangaroos seem to freeze in place when startled, as if entering a temporary trance. Their hind leg structure shows mysterious asymmetries that enhance their ability to leap vast distances. A red kangaroo can cover over 8 meters in one bound, an astounding feat for a creature weighing up to 90 kilograms. There are feral kangaroo populations found in places as far afield as New Zealand, Europe, and North America. The mysterious joey dive, where a young abruptly dives back into the pouch when danger looms, remains a captivating survival tactic. Some scientists are still unraveling how kangaroo lung function is interlinked with the rhythm of their hops. When threatened, a kangaroo's thumping of its hind legs may serve as a covert alarm system to warn the mob. Their continuously replaced molars are similar to elephants and manatees, ensuring a lifetime of efficient grazing. Despite their power, kangaroos are remarkably silent when moving in groups at dusk. The social hierarchies within a mob are complex and not yet fully understood by researchers. Some kangaroos have been observed engaging in play-fighting behaviors that resemble sports or dance. Mysterious variations in fur color and patterns among kangaroos hint at hidden regional adaptations. In extreme heat, kangaroos lick their forearms as a cooling mechanism, a behavior still being scientifically probed. Their unique digestion includes regurgitating food for a second round of chewing, but the full biochemistry of this process remains partly mysterious. Some kangaroos have unusual patterns in their tracks that suggest secret group strategies during movement. There are rare cases where kangaroos are seen synchronized in their leaps, almost as if choreographed. The correlation between a kangaroo's hop frequency and its breathing is a subject of ongoing research. Certain isolated populations exhibit behaviors or physical traits not found in more common species. In captivity, kangaroos sometimes show inexplicable behaviors that have never been observed in the wild. Some kangaroos appear to possess an uncanny ability to adapt their foraging patterns to unpredictable rainfall. Their mysterious thumping can also be a sign of distress or a call for help among mob members. The interspecies interactions between kangaroos and other native animals remain an area full of unanswered questions. A few Aboriginal stories describe kangaroos as shapeshifters or carriers of secret wisdom. There's evidence that kangaroos can adjust their gait depending on terrain, a mystery of biomechanical engineering. Their ability to survive bushfires, sometimes seemingly reappearing unscathed, fascinates ecologists. Some kangaroo species can enter a state akin to torpor during the hottest or driest periods. Mysterious genetic markers in kangaroos hint at ancient migrations and interspecies breeding. Their unique pelvic structure has puzzled anatomists for decades. Some studies suggest that kangaroos may communicate chemical signals through subtle scent markings. Their internal clocks appear to be finely tuned to the extreme Australian climate, though how remains partly unknown. In some remote outback areas, unusual spikes in kangaroo activity have been recorded at almost magical times of day. Researchers are still decoding the full spectrum of sounds in a kangaroo's vocal repertoire. The unusual bone density in kangaroo limbs might be a key adaptation to their high-impact hopping. Despite their imposing appearance, many kangaroos display gentle, almost secretive behaviors around their young. Their ability to rapidly change direction mid-hop remains one of nature's elegant mysteries. Some kangaroo populations exhibit unexpectedly high levels of genetic diversity, puzzling scientists about past environmental pressures. The elusive tree kangaroos of Australia and New Guinea are adapted to life in the canopy, a mysterious twist on the typical ground dweller. Certain kangaroos show unusual greeting rituals involving subtle body postures and nuzzling. There is an enigmatic link between kangaroo social behavior and the availability of food resources that is still being explored. Their innate sense of timing, when to rest and when to move, appears almost preternatural. Mysterious outbreaks of disease in kangaroo mobs occur sporadically, with causes not yet fully determined. In some sightings, kangaroos have been observed in complete silence, seemingly aware of an unseen presence. The left-handed preference in many kangaroos raises questions about brain lateralization in marsupials. Some kangaroos have been known to freeze and stare into the distance, as if contemplating something unseen. Their mysterious resilience to extreme drought conditions continues to amaze ecologists. Kangaroo fossils sometimes reveal bizarre anatomical details that challenge our understanding of marsupial evolution. There are legends of ghost kangaroos, apparitions reported by night travelers in the outback. Their inner ear structure, which aids in balance during leaps, remains a subject of advanced biomechanical study. Some kangaroos seem to react to distant sounds or vibrations, hinting at a mysterious sensory perception. Mysterious population booms in certain regions have been linked to unusual environmental cycles. The way a mother kangaroo carefully cleans her pouch after her joey urinates and defecates is both practical and curiously intimate. Their social structure sometimes resembles a secret society, with dominant males controlling access to mates. Kangaroos' interactions with introduced species, like dingoes, have evolved mysterious defensive tactics. Some kangaroos display an almost curious interest in human activity, watching silently from a distance. Their extraordinary lung capacity is synchronized with the impact of each hop, a natural marvel still being quantified. Certain mob members may act as lookouts, their behavior hinting at an unspoken collective vigilance. There are documented cases of kangaroos exhibiting unexpected, almost playful behavior when left undisturbed. Their ability to survive in both lush forests and barren deserts is a testament to a mysterious, evolutionary versatility. Mysterious dash events, sudden rapid bursts of speed, have been recorded but not fully explained. Some kangaroos use subtle head movements and ear positioning to communicate mood, a language only partially decoded by scientists. Their digestive systems are so uniquely adapted that they rarely need to drink water, a survival trick that still puzzles researchers. In some regions, kangaroos have been known to use natural features of the landscape in ways that seem almost strategic. The fluctuating population numbers of kangaroos often appear disconnected from local environmental conditions, a mystery under study. Mysterious alignment behaviors have been observed when kangaroos form lines along a ridge at sunrise. Some researchers suspect that kangaroos may have an unrecognized sixth sense for detecting predators from afar. Their eyes, besides being good in low light, may be sensitive to ultraviolet light, an adaptation that remains partly unexplained. Unusual variations in vocal sounds between different mobs hint at the possibility of dialects among kangaroos. The secretive nature of many kangaroo populations means that even today, new behaviors are being discovered. Some isolated populations exhibit bizarre color mutations that have baffled biologists. Their pattern of moving in a mob can sometimes appear choreographed, as if guided by an unseen force. Mysterious genetic signatures found in some kangaroo populations suggest ancient migrations across Australia. There are accounts of kangaroos appearing to mourn or show distress after the loss of a mob member. Their ability to rapidly shift between a state of rest and explosive movement is both graceful and enigmatic. Some kangaroos are known to use peculiar scratching behaviors that may serve as territory markers. Mysterious fluctuations in the nutritional quality of vegetation seem to affect kangaroo behavior in unexpected ways. Their forelimbs, though small, are surprisingly dexterous and sometimes used in gentle grooming of companions. Reports of kangaroos dancing in the rain or at dusk add an almost mythical quality to their behavior. The secret life of nocturnal kangaroos is still largely unobserved, leaving many nighttime behaviors shrouded in mystery. Anecdotal evidence suggests that kangaroos might be sensitive to changes in the lunar cycle, altering their activity patterns. Finally, kangaroos, iconic symbols of Australia, carry an enduring mystery in their very existence, representing resilience, adaptation, and a forward-moving spirit that continues to captivate human imagination. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.